Hey guys, you're watching TechTubers, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can create an Instagram business profile to make more money. This video isn't just about clicking a button to convert to a business profile, but a lot more than that. I'm gonna show you how you can set up your business account the right way so that later on you don't realize that you have lost a lot of conversions to your business. So that being said, to begin with, you gotta create a normal Instagram profile. You need to keep in mind that you cannot make a business account directly without creating a basic profile first. So here's a random Instagram profile that I'm using to show you guys how it's really done. So for example, I have a fashion related brand and I wish to sell my clothing products online on Instagram. When you create a profile first, it'll look something like this. Now the reason why you might want to go to an Instagram business profile would be so that you can look a lot more professional like this. You can see on the bottom that you got a lot more options to connect like email. You also have a call button and also a lot more going on like insights from business profile that I'm gonna show you later in this video. So in order to convert your profile, you need to go to the three bars that's on the top right corner. Now once you're here, you go down to the settings right at the bottom. And within these settings, you're gonna see a lot of other options to go through. I recommend you must go through it at least once in your own time. So going ahead with the motive of this video, we're gonna go down to the account right here. Finally, at the bottom of the page, you're gonna find the option that says switch to professional account. Now once you hit that option, you're gonna know a lot more about the features of a business profile here. So as you go on further, you're gonna get insight. So they're gonna give you some in-depth analytics and you can figure out which post people are gonna like, which post gets the most engagement. You can find out who your audience is and etc etc. Now, as you go over, you can also create promotions. Instagram is one of the largest social media platforms today, and for that reason, promoting on there can be an immense value. You can provide so much to your business no matter what kind of business you run. As you go over, you can also find business profile buttons like I showed you before. You can have people call you, text you, or even email you. And then it's gonna ask me what category is my business. So since my company is of clothing, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose this option. And then we have two options that says business or creator. Now since I am a business owner, I'm gonna select the business one, but then if you are a creator, for example, if you are a content creator on YouTube or you are an influencer, then you can select the creator one. Now in this page, fill in the information which is missing from your profile. Now it says connect to Facebook. If you have a Facebook profile, then go ahead and connect to it. Now once you've done all that, the next thing you're gonna do is go to the edit profile page, and what you're really gonna do here is provide as much information as possible so that your viewer or your potential customer gets all the information they need through here. So make sure you have a website right here so that anyone in your profile can go ahead and land on your website. So you make sure you make it as easy and simple for people to connect from your Instagram business profile to whatever your business is, because you want people to convert from viewers to your customers. Now you also make sure you have a good bio, and like you can all see, you can also link your Facebook profile as well. You also have contact option. Make sure you fill in all your details right and well. And then also you have an action button that can help make things even simpler for your business. So guys, this is how you basically set up your Instagram business profile. Now when you go to the top right corner, you can see insights. And that is a very interesting feature. Now this is exactly what I was talking about before. You can really pull out some useful analytics and figure out a better business strategy based on this data. So guys, this is all about setting up your Instagram business profile the right way. If you've enjoyed this video, then go ahead and give us a thumbs up. To watch more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our future videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.